going to share with you a product that made us $100 in profit per day, not just in one store, but in 2 stores of us. What is up, guys? As you can see, I'm still here in Colombia. Pretty nice weather. We have like 30 degrees, but that's not the topic for today. I just wanted to tell you about products in general, and I'm going to share with you a product that made us $100 in profit per day, not just in one store, but in 2 stores of us. So stay tuned till the end, so you can definitely reach the same like we did. So it's definitely something that you want to try. So in general, when it comes to finding and winning a product, it is always a little bit of a struggle for beginners, because most of the time the people are taking products from AliExpress or something that they are passionate about, and they think, okay, that might work because I like that product, right? But the truth is, the market doesn't work like that, because the market is most of the time pretty ahead of all our passions and stuff like that. We just need to follow simple rules, and this is something that we have to just consider also in the product research, right? So we have to sell products that actually work right now in the market, so we have to see if somebody's already making money with it, right? That's the most important part for us as dropshippers, to see, okay, should I try that product or not, right? So this is why a lot of people just fail, because they simply have the wrong product and they stop. So a lot of people, they just simply give up too early. They just try 3 products, and yeah, that's not the way to go. So I always suggest at least to test 20 products, and out of 20 you should find one product which is profitable. And yeah, you should also always find a trend, right? If you are on a trend, you have much easier ways to scale a product and also to sell it simply. So one important factor that we're looking for is engagement, right? Because we want the people to share, like, and comment the video. We have videos that have millions of views and thousands of comments, and that gives you the leverage of organic shares, because it's basically free traffic for you. If somebody is sharing a comment, product with somebody else, and you want to create an ad that is so amazing or something special, so unique, that someone has to share it with somebody, and if that's happening, you will see the sales coming in much easier. What you also want to do is to comment every comment you get, right? So that's something that I like to do sometimes, because I can see directly the sales coming in after I commenting on other comments, right? So if somebody is saying, hey, look, Tom, he's tagging Tom in that case, and you just simply say, hey, we have this product in offer right now, here's the link, get it now until the offer is over. So that's something you will see eventually directly sales coming in afterwards, because it's pretty much remarketing just in a manual way. So yeah, make sure the video goes viral, and you will see much better results than with the product which is not that special and has not so amazing wow effects like you know, trending products or something that is pretty cool to share. So that's one hint that I want to give you, so you can really make easier sales, right? So you don't want to sell boring stuff, because the internet has so much information out there. The people are simply overwhelmed what to watch. Like every second they will get an offer, they will get a new video, and you have to stand out of that, right? That's the goal. You have to stand out of that product, or with that product you have to stand out with your products, with your services. Otherwise you have pretty much no chance to survive with Facebook ads. Facebook ads getting pretty much expensive right now, so you have to follow certain rules in order to get profitable sales and also consistent sales, and to be able to scale it and also to live from it, right? That's the goal about dropshipping. You don't want to just experiment and waste your money. You just want to have successful running campaigns. So make sure your ads are pretty dope, you have a high relevance score, and then you should be ready to go in order to get good sales. And the product that I'm going to share with you is again a product that made us $100 per day in profit. Not just one store, it did it on 2 stores, and that's something which can't go viral because it's we used it for another reason. So the product that I'm talking about is this one. It's the golden rose, which we promoted on Mother's Day, right? Like few days before Mother's Day, we made sure that we have the product in stock, we have the product in our warehouse, and we send it within 2 or 3 days to the people who wants to give their mothers a present, right? So that's obviously a really nice present, like for people who are a little bit older probably, and we had a lot of sales with that, and we made a good couple of $100 every day just from that one product. So this is a product that you should not sell now, like when you don't have anything going on, but you can sell it definitely on Mother's Day, maybe for Christmas, some special days where people are looking for gifts for others, right? So that's something you can try definitely yourself. Tell me how it went. So try it definitely out, and if you like this video, just give me a like, subscribe my channel if you want to get more insights about dropshipping, and also follow me on Instagram where you can see different stuff. We're scaling Shopify stores and stuff like that, general tips about Facebook ads. So if that's something for you, definitely follow me there as well. And other than that, wish you a good day and see you next time.